Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic headlight bulb. This is a common maintenance task that you can easily do yourself with a few basic tools. Before you begin, make sure your car's engine is off and has cooled down. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a trim removal tool. Don't forget your new headlight bulb, and always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Now let's get to the bulb. First, open your Honda Civic's hood. Look behind the headlight assembly to find the bulb housing. You'll see an electrical connector plugged into it. Gently press the release tab and pull it off. Next, remove the rubber weather seal or dust cover. For the driver's side, you might need to carefully lift and move the power steering reservoir or even the battery to create enough space, but remember not to disconnect any hoses. With access gained, it's time to replace the bulb. You'll notice a retaining wire or clip holding the bulb in place. Disengage this by pushing it in and swinging it away. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can cause hot spots and shorten its life. Align the new bulb's 3 metal tabs with the slots in the housing and gently push it in until it's fully seated. Almost done. Once the new bulb is seated, swing the retaining wire or clip back into place to secure it. Reinstall the rubber weather seal or dust cover, ensuring it forms a tight seal. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the bulb. If you moved any components like the power steering reservoir or battery, put them back securely. Finally, turn on your Honda Civic's headlights to confirm your new bulb is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.